Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix the repost option is not available on your TikTok. So TikTok recently give a new update of the repost, how you can repost it. Watch my video on it. It's available on my channel, but if you don't find this repost option, how you can get it. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So to fix it, first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will open it, update it from here. If it's not up to date, maybe that's why it's not showing that you are using the old version. Moreover, if you still don't find it after updated, so you have to go to the settings of your phone, and after that you have to click on the apps and the notification, and here you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will do it, here you will see storage and the cache, and you have to clear your storage and log into your TikTok account again. Maybe it will start working, but if you still won't find it, it means this feature is not available in your country. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.